Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cookie Run Kingdom on your computer. While primarily a mobile game, you can enjoy it on a larger screen using an Android emulator. This process involves a few simple steps, allowing you to experience the game with improved controls and graphics. We will guide you through selecting and setting up an emulator, then installing the game itself. It's a straightforward way to enhance your gameplay. First, you will need to choose an Android emulator. Several excellent options are available, such as BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player. Each offers a slightly different experience, but all provide a stable platform for mobile games. Make sure to download your chosen emulator directly from its official website to ensure you get a legitimate and secure version. Check your computer's system requirements to pick the best fit. Once your emulator is installed, launch it and complete the initial setup, which usually involves signing in with your Google account. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the Google Play Store within the emulator. Navigate to the Play Store, search for Cookie Run Kingdom, and then proceed with the installation. The entire process mirrors installing an app on your smartphone, making it very intuitive. To get the best experience, take some time to optimize your emulator settings. You can often adjust graphics quality, frame rates, and allocate more system resources to the emulator. Many emulators also allow you to customize keyboard and mouse controls, offering a more precise and comfortable way to manage your kingdom. A stable internet connection is also key for seamless online play and updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.